Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to sync Dropbox files on your computer. So let's get started. To sync Dropbox files on a computer, you must install Dropbox first. So go ahead and install Dropbox app on your PC. And whenever you install Dropbox on your PC, this file will be created automatically. And whatever file you keep here will be automatically uploaded to the Dropbox. Let's see an example. I will take a file, then I will keep it here. And when the symbol turns into a green tick, that means the file is successfully uploaded. Now let's check our Dropbox. And as you can see, that folder is now on our Dropbox. Now let's look at the sync settings. For that, go to your taskbar. Generally, you will see an icon for Dropbox in the taskbar. If you can't find it there, simply tap on this up arrow, then here it is. Simply tap on it, then tap on this profile icon. Then tap on Preferences. Now tap on Sync. And here you can see the Dropbox folder location. You can change the location if you like, simply tapping on Change Location and selecting any folder that you want to sync with the Dropbox. And guys, that was it. This is how you sync Dropbox folder on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.